Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have Newton's laws in the game for children 4 and older. So most of you are ready for this game. This is called Monkeying Around. And with Monkeying Around, we have this beautiful tree and our scary alligator pit. And then we've got this tree canopy right here. This tree canopy, it has its own mass. It's fairly heavy, but it's being held in place against gravity by a magnet. You can see that pulling up there. That magnet is being held there using, of course, magnetic force, right? And it's fighting against gravity. So it's true what they say, or it's true what we've learned in class. For every force, there is an equal and opposite force. Gravity pulling down, magnetism holding it up. But we're also going to see that in other parts of this game. The purpose of this game is to get all of your monkeys to hang on the tree as possible. And I'm just going to rotate through the colors evenly to keep them in order with this little spinner right here to tell me which one to use. Hey, every once in a while it's going to tell me to use a big one as well. And my job is to hang them all up here and not be the person to knock them down. Since I'm playing against myself, I'm pretty sure I'm going to win or lose. Anyway, the object is to get them all hanging up there. Well, here we have Newton's first law of motion. Objects at rest, stay at rest. Everything's just going to sit here. And the truth is it's going to continue to do that until an unbalanced force comes along. That's me. And I add a little force to it, and that causes each one of the monkeys to hang up there. So that moves them. But once I let them go, they're now objects at rest, and they continue to stay at rest. One blue one. Hang a blue one right here. Ooh, very nice. And one red one. I'm gonna hang a red one from this guy just because I want to be tricky. Hey, isn't that sneaky? And a yellow one. Hang the yellow one right here. Seems to want to hang. Ooh, I have to hang 3 of the orange ones. 1, 2, 3 of the orange ones. So 1, 2, 3. Objects at rest, staying at rest. That's Newton's first law. Newton's second law. Ooh, I have to hang the big blue monkey. States that a force is necessary to accelerate a mass. Well, the only thing that's going to accelerate the canopy is the weight. That would be the force of gravity. Once there's enough weight on here, it'll accelerate the whole thing downwards. But I'm actually using muscular force to accelerate them into place. 3 red ones. You've got a big old arm right here. I think I'm going to add on to you. Do the same thing here. And we have already seen Newton's third law. For every force, there's an equal and opposite force. You can see every time that I put one on, it pulls just a little bit, but the force of each one of the monkeys is actually holding it back up. That should be red, that should be yellow. Three oranges. Right here. Whoa! Newton's first law. An unbalanced force of gravity, unbalanced by the mass, caused the whole thing to fall downwards. Newton's second law, a force accelerated the mass, the whole thing fell because of the force of gravity. Newton's third law, for every force there's an equal and opposite. By pulling down, hey, it was fighting against me until the magnetism was no longer strong enough. Monkeying around, physics, Newton's laws.